In this video, I'm going to explain how to distinct count in a pivot table. So I have this data which include class name and student names. And some of the students attending multiple classes, some are attending only one, and we want to know how many distinct students we have. In order to do that, we're going to make out of it the pivot table. You go to the Insert tab, Pivot Table, okay, and that's will create pivot table. Now, if we're going to count the student names, in here, it's just going to count them 31 students, but some of them are duplicated. And usually when you go to field settings in Excel and scroll through available functions, count is not available. But you definitely can do that. In order to do that, the data just need to be added to the data model. So you need to go back to the original data, click on the data tab. It's the data model. No, Power Pivot, my bad. Go to the Power Pivot and add to data model. What it will do, it will add this data to the data model. You click OK, and my table have headers, definitely. Now give it a moment to process it. It's added it to the data model, and now from here, we will create a pivot table again from the same data, basically. But it will have an option to do the distinct count. Just give it a moment to populate. So now when it's populated, you click Pivot Table and New Worksheet, okay. Now in here, we want to do the same. We want to count the students. If we add them to values, it's still going to be 31. But now, when going to value field settings and scrolling all the way down, we have a distinct count. Click OK. And that's changed to 13 because that's the total number of students we have, distinct students. Hope that helped you guys.